The G35 Coupe behind me is still relevant to this day. One of the things that are not relevant are the halogen light bulbs that come from factory. So this is my 2005 G35 Coupe. It has currently 250,000 miles, guys. It is time to do a big upgrade, and you guys already know what I'm talking about. That is when our sponsor comes in clutch. Shout out to Auxito. They were able to provide these amazing LED light bulbs to be able to transform this car from a 2005 to a 2025. You guys already know how important it is to have good lights in the nighttime, especially when you're driving in a place that has no street lights. You guys need the most amount of light possible, and I'm pretty sure Auxito is going to provide that for us. Let's go ahead and put that to the test. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and open up what we got inside. Alright guys, the final reveal. It's literally shaking right now. This is amazing. Oh my god, guys. They were providing me the Michael Jackson glove. You guys already know from Void Cars, he hit the Michael Jackson moonwalk. Hit the moonwalk, hit the moonwalk. Oh. Bro, we're supposed to be working on the car, not dancing like Michael Jackson, bro. Bro, oh my gosh, bro. Bro literally just died. So guys, overall, very good packaging. They come with gloves, some zip ties, which is nice, a little tool, an instruction manual, and of course, the bulbs themselves. And let's go ahead and take them out and see the quality. Man, these look amazing. These look like they'll fit right in. This is gonna be a big upgrade, guys. Thank you so much, Auxito, for providing these bulbs. If you guys want to get yourself some bulbs and transform your G35 from 2005 to 2025, please check the description below. I'm going to have the links to these exact ones, or whatever conversion you guys have, you guys ask Auxito and they'll have it covered. Normally I'm supposed to be using clip pliers. Don't have my clip pliers with me, they're actually at work, but we're making it work. So the carbon fiber front grille is off. If you guys want this carbon fiber grille, check it out on Amazon or eBay. It's actually really nice. I like it a lot. Alright, so if you ever owned the G35 Coupe, you already know Nissan did us dirty when it comes to headlight access. This isn't like your average Civic when you twist the bulb out in 2 seconds. Nah, here you gotta pretty much dismantle the whole front end like you're prepping for surgery. The front bumper's gotta come off, which means dealing with about 500 clips that feel like they're one-time use only. But once the bumper's off, you finally get to these big G35 headlights, and these things are massive. The design was clean back in 05, but it's very old school halogen glow. Alright guys, so after some tinkering around, we were ready to get the headlight off, and look at this, guys. If you guys come over here and look a little closer, unfortunately, this has been rigged up in very many different ways. Eventually I gotta address this, but right now we're gonna focus on the low beams. But there's just a bunch of conversions that I have no idea what's going on, and this was all the previous owner. So yeah, this is the downfall when you buy a used car pretty much. But let's just go ahead and get to the low beams and put on the Auxitos. So right now, of course, I need to polish my headlights, but right now this is the low beam that we're replacing, and this is the before. This is what the car had before. As you guys can see, it's okay. You know, could be better. But I'm pretty sure when I switch to the Auxito, this is going to be so much brighter. Alright guys, so right now, we are currently taking out the old bulbs. Let's see. Off, there we go. And now I believe this is held in with a Phillips. Alright, so very carefully I'm going to take out this bulb, and like magic, let me not lose that. As I said, let me not lose it. I lost it. Guys, hopefully you can work on cars better than I can. But actually, if we look at this, it looks like it was getting burnt out. So this might have been time. Immediately right off the bat, I could tell this is way better quality. It even has this Auxito module, and I'm just telling you right now, like, it feels better. It actually probably feels lighter. I'm probably saving a few 0.5 pounds actually, so my car will probably feel faster. I don't know. No, I'm just joking. But this looks very good. Shout out to Auxito. This is very good quality. Thank you so much. So you're gonna want to line up. There's a groove. You're just gonna want to line that up right in there. All right, here goes the Auxito lights in, screwing it in. So before I fully strap everything down, tightening everything back up, I'm gonna plug them in and see how they look compared to the original ones. And immediately, guys, I can tell the big difference already. This is so much brighter, and it's actually, it feels hotter. Guys, it feels hotter. But guys, I could look at this. Now there's a shadow here, and the headlights are not even buffed out. Auxito, shout out to you guys. This is amazing, guys. What a difference. This looks really good. I was able to strap everything down, to tighten everything up. And again, let's do a comparison. Right here on the top, Auxito, and right here is, I have no idea what brand, but this looks very dull. This does not look very good compared to Auxito. I mean, just look at the difference, guys. Wow, that literally shines in the lens of the camera. This one, not so much. Auxito, oh yeah, you guys already know this is gonna be really bright, guys. And I bet once I buff out my headlights, it's gonna be even better. You'll need to pull a couple bolts to get to the housing loose, and honestly, this is part where you're either excited or regretting you even started. I'll be real, I thought this would be a 15-minute swap, but nope. Since we are doing a Temu tool challenge, this was full-time commitment. Right now we're putting Auxito bulbs on this G35 Coupe, okay? But we're also doing a challenge where we're using limited tools like a Temu ratchet. Guys, where's my tools? Remember, where's my Milwaukee? Where's my corner? Where's my snap-on tools? I have no idea. No, I'm just kidding. But I forgot them. So right now we're doing a challenge to see if we can honestly do this job correctly with a Temu set. Let's see what happens. I don't know. We already got one side. Let's see if we can get the other. The nice part about this whole swap, and Auxito makes it very easy to be plug and play. No ballast, no splicing, no funky adapters. Just twist it in, click the harness, and you're done. What mess we got on this side? And even more of a mess. Look at that, guys. Look at this. This is wind up in with the washer fluid. Look at this. This is terrible. I don't know why people do these jobs and do this wire mess. Look at this. Like, just, guys, if you're gonna do it correctly. Don't just do it halfway. Like, this is terrible. But we're not focusing on that. We're focusing on these Auxito lights and seeing if they're worth it in 2025. I just keep dropping every screw. Alright, so here's the old ones. Same as the other side. They look hot, they're burnt. It's time. Thank you, Auxito. Let's go ahead and put the new upgrade. Guys, if you guys are looking to upgrade your car, any car, it doesn't have to be an Infiniti G35, it doesn't have to be a Nissan, hit up Auxito. Alright, so this is very important. Like I said before, on the other side, you always want to match in this part and have it clipped in so your bulbs don't fall out. We got this side on, tightening everything back, and it's getting close to being able to do the final test. So you guys need to stay tuned for that. Just gonna tighten everything up. Or let's show you guys the after on what it looks like now on both sides, because now we have both sides. Now you guys can see that it is shining on this side, and it is shining bright on this side as well. Super bright. Now I almost want to polish these headlights, buff them out, and see the big difference. But right now, we got to tightening everything back, put the bumper back, put the grill back, and literally just go for a drive at nighttime. Alright guys, after many hours of sweating, labor, and hard work, no, I'm just joking. But it was a little difficult, like I said before, because we're doing that challenge with the T-Move tools. So I wasn't able to do it as fast as I would normally do it with like electric racks or whatever. We got both sides on. Shout out to Auxito. These look amazing, guys. Now all we got to do is do the nighttime drive test and be able to put them to the test. And I'm telling you guys right now, you guys will see the difference. I already did it before, and then now I'm going to show you guys the after. So you guys need to stay tuned for that part and being able to see the before and after. Let me show you guys what it looks like now. Of course, daytime, I got to buff out the headlights, but you guys will be able to tell the difference already immediately. And look at that difference, guys. This is so much brighter. Wow, look at that. So much brighter than the first ones that I had on. It pops, it looks good. I just need to polish and buff my headlights and it'll look way better, guys. Alright guys, I think that's going to wrap it up for tonight's video. If you guys did enjoy the big comparison on the Auxito new LED lights, please make sure you give me a like, comment down below your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to be doing a lot more reviews. I have another review, guys, coming soon, so you guys need to stay tuned for that. A lot more car content. I want to be upgrading this G35 Coupe. I have 250,000 miles and it's just ready to get upgrades, guys. Please make sure you guys are staying tuned on all the builds. On the Turbo Miata, the G35 Coupe behind me, the G37 manual swap, and of course the 370Z. Guys, I think we proved and tested that these are the best LED bulbs you can get in 2025. Mainly for your G35 Coupe, but you guys are looking for any other vehicle, Auxito's got you guys covered. So I believe these are the best LED bulbs. Check them out, guys. Check out Auxito. Guys, I completely forgot to mention, if you guys want to get hooked up with Auxito bulbs, I also have you guys covered with a percentage off. Check out the description below. I have that percentage coupon off. Just use that code and then check out. You guys will be covered. Make sure you guys check the description below for that percentage off, guys. And I'll see you guys when I see you guys.